Hello everyone, welcome back. In this movie, we will see how we can retrieve data from two or more tables using outer joins. Earlier, we saw how we can retrieve data from two tables or two or more tables using inner join. This is outer join. Inner join is also called as EQ join. This is outer join. Outer join has two types of joins. Basically, the one is left and the other one is right join. Okay, and if it is a right join, the entire table on the right side will be taken, plus balance of the table from the left side is also taken. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so they both provide very similar functionality, but there is a slight difference that depends on the order of the tables in the query. Regardless of the type of outer join, the syntax is similar to that of an inner join. You replace inner with either with left or outer. Okay, left outer or right outer. Okay, so there are, as I told, there are three types of inner outer joins. One is left, the other one is right, and the other one is full. So if it is left join, the first left table, if it is left join, the table on the left side entirely taken, and the balance of the right table will also be taken. If it is a right join, whole right side table will be taken, and left side will also be taken for the matching records. If there are any other unmatched records, it will replace it with null keyword, not known value, unknown value, null keyword. If it is full join, entire this table and this table will be retrieved. Okay, we will see the syntax. Select list comes from. So here it is joined, the table name comes table 1 join table 2 and condition, but additionally we will have left, right or full. Okay, outer keyword is optional. You can see it is within square bracket, which means it is optional. Okay, if you are having more than two tables, you can continue to have as we did with inner joins. Okay, so we will see the explanation. An outer join retrieves all rows that satisfy the join condition plus unmatched rows in one or both tables. So if it is left join, the records from the left side, entire records from the left side will be taken, plus the unmatched rows from this right table will also be taken. But for the unmatched records, it will add null keyword. Okay, if it is right join, the other way around. Okay, if there are two tables, this is right, this is left, and if it is right join, entire data from the right join will be taken, and the left table will also be taken, but for unmatched records it will display null keyword. If it is full join, all left records and right records will also be taken, right? This is how it works. A syntax is sample is select vendor name, invoice number, invoice total. So there are two tables from vendors table. This is from invoices table. From vendors, join invoices on vendors.vendor id equals invoices.vendor id. You know this, right? But here we have mentioned left. Left means from the invoices table, all records will be taken from the invoices table. But matching records from the all records from the vendors table, correction, right? All records from the vendors table will be taken, plus matching record from the invoices table will be taken. And for the unmatched records, as I told, it will display null. Okay, for unmatched records, it displays null, because from BFI Industries we didn't buy anything. Bill Jones we didn't buy. Bill Marvin Electric Incorporation we didn't buy. So there is no record in the table. However, they are registered suppliers for us. Since we are pulling all data from the left table, those unmatched records will be displayed with a null keyword. So we will see this in example, a practical example, using visual the SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have opened my SQL Server Management Studio. For the time being, I'm closing the scripts, and relationship window also I'm going to close, or you can save it, relationship 1. you can save it so that it will be added in the relationship here. It is found here. Okay, so let me start a query. Here I want to select vendor name, okay, vendor ID, vendors.vendor ID, okay, vendors.vendor ID, comma vendor name, comma invoice date, comma invoice total from vendors join invoices. I'm typing the primary in a query, right? In a join I'm typing now invoices on vendors.vendor ID equals invoices.vendor ID. So the difference we have is we are going to have vendors left outer join invoices. So outer is optional, we can drop it. So vendors left join invoices on vendors.vendor ID equals invoices.vendor ID. Execute, it works. So for the null values, here we have, these are the matching records. Unmatched records will be assigned null values, right? And the right join is, instead of left we will say RIGHT, right, okay, right join. So it's going to pull the data from all data from this table and balance from this table. So in this instance, let's see if we have any null records. Here we don't have any null records because we have a primary key foreign key relationship strictly implemented, so there is no orphan records. That's why it is not showing. If there are orphan records, it will display. Okay, that's how the outer join works. So please do practicals, and we will see another movie. Until then, goodbye. Thank you so much.